Hey, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? So right here I have a Kwikset Smartkey. The thing I like about these is that you can change the key without opening it and changing all the pins. But you actually need the original key that opens this. So this is the original key. It turns it, okay? Now it's really easy. Just make sure that you have yourself one of these tools, okay? And then you also need to have the new keys that you're gonna put, okay? So the first thing that we need to do is we're gonna put it inside. We're gonna turn it, just like one, like that, like so, okay? Has to be flat, horizontal. Okay. Now the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna stick in our tool. Okay. We're sticking our tool in there. Make sure it goes in there, and then we're gonna take our key out. Okay. And then we're gonna take our tool out. Okay. And then we're gonna put our new key. Now all we gotta do is just turn it. Okay. Pop it out, and then just try it out. See? It's that easy, you guys. Really easy. The hardest part would be trying to poke this in while the old key is sideways like this. So that's the hardest part. So remember, you put the first key in there, turn it, poke it, pull out the key, pull this out, and just enter the new key and turn it. This is the old key, so the old key is not gonna work anymore. See? So old key will not work no more. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that like button, okay? Take care, you guys.